Now, where's my hammer? I actually think I do know what this is. So, that, I believe, is a train buffer. That is solid steel. There we go. Keep that.